This is a tailgate I'm putting back together. It's got a bunch of holes in it. Somebody had some snaps on there at one time. Go ahead and patch it, and then I'll show you after I get them done. Alright, here's after they've been welded. I haven't cleaned them up yet. Well, I was cleaning it up and I found a few more. So we'll go ahead and get those all taken care of as well. Alright, well, after a bunch more welding, she's looking a whole lot better. I even had to do a bunch over here on the top of the tailgate. It was getting real thin. I also had a few on the back that needed to be done. Overall, not too bad back here. No, there you go. Looks a whole lot better, much less holes than what was in it. Okay, here it is after I threw some paint and the hardware back in it. This is going on my 78 mud truck that didn't have a tailgate, so I just threw some paint on it so that it would match the truck. And this is what it looks like afterwards.